Hello everyone and welcome to Lego Burst. My name is MJ and today we are looking at a custom figure of Daken that I have made. Now, who is Daken? You may well not be aware. He is Wolverine's son. Yes, Wolverine does indeed have a son in the Marvel Comics universe. Now, I haven't been reading Marvel Comics for a couple of years, so I am unaware of his current history. I don't know if he's still alive or anything like that. But certainly this is similar to how he looks in the comics. He basically takes on his father's old costume, which was the brown and yellow one. You may have just caught a glimpse of the back there. As with all of my customs, I only really display, I make them for display, so I only really display them with the front showing, so I don't really mind what it looks like on the back. So I just wanted a plain yellow torso. He does of course have a mohawk. It is one of his kind of key features, and a black mohawk is perfect for him, so that works well. And then his face, I've given him quite almost effeminate kind of features here, but with thick eyebrows and almost quite an evil smirk. And then finally, of course, he does have Wolverine's claws on, which, you know, probably as accurate as we can get, but they're not quite accurate because he only has 2 claws on each hand. You can, in fact, now do an even more accurate Daken, because since I made this figure, they have made an actual brown Wolverine, a brown suit Wolverine, which is very, well, I mean, that is completely and utterly accurate to Daken. That is exactly what he wears in the comics. So that really does look absolutely perfect. The problem being that I don't have a spare brown Wolverine. So for the time being, my custom version will have to do. Thank you very much for watching this video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know in the comments below. And if you're new around here, please subscribe for more videos.